The program has been popular, and we do have a waiting list for the Essential Home Repairs program. But if someone comes up with the issue, say in the middle of the winter, their furnace goes out, it's an elderly citizen, for example, she doesn't have the money. Where does she go to get help? So we put in the component for emergency repairs to say if there's certain types of repairs or work that's necessary in the home that would be a true emergency, we will take care of that with you right at the outset, so long as you qualify. Typically, the type of work we come across with the program would be furnaces that go out, water heaters, and a big one is sanitary sewer lines into the home where they're blocked or they're broken, and that can make the home uninhabitable for those folks. On the emergency side of the program, the costs tend to be somewhat limited, which is good, because the assistance we provide for emergency repairs is actually a grant. We don't do more than $4,500. If we do go for $4,500, we can turn that into a loan with preferred rates, but there is a bit of a cutoff. On emergency repairs, we're looking at low and moderate income households, again by income range. Now in the Essential Home Repairs program, we have a variety of options, and the type of assistance that you would qualify for depends on your income. Some of our loans we call 0% and 3% loans. Those have a higher income limit for qualification, but those are payback loans. Then as your income gets less, and depending if you're elderly or a disabled household, with such a member in your household, then the income qualifications go down. If you know something's going on with a neighbor or a family or a relative or whatever, have them call and at least ask us, and we can try to give you at least options and what we might have available.